Good morning, dear students. Today I am taking exercise 6.5, question number. This is 6. Find the maximum points, maximum profit that a company can make. Oh, this already we have solved, no? Maximum profit 1. Then let's take question number 7. Find both maximum value and the minimum value of this function on the interval 0, 3. So we are asked only the maximum value and the minimum value in this closed interval. When a closed interval is given, then always you have to check the value of the function at these endpoints and also at the critical points. So let us find out the critical points of this function. First work will be find the critical point of this function 3x 3 over 4 minus this one. Okay, now? So let us find out the critical point. So for critical point, we will write for critical points. First to find out f dash x. First let us write the f(x). F of x is equal to 3x to the power of 4 minus 8x cube, then plus 12x square minus 48x plus 25. So f dash x is equal to 4 3 are 12 x cube minus 3 is 24 x square plus 2 12 are 24 x minus 48. So now you write equal to 0, that f dash x equal to 0, then we will know the critical points. Now I write f dash x is equal to 0. So for critical points, so this will be equal to 12 x cube minus 24 x square plus 24x then minus 48 is equal to 0. Solving this, we can factorize it now. 12x square you can take as a factor, common factor. X minus 2 will be here, plus 24 as a common factor. Here also x minus 2 is equal to 0. So then x minus 2 into 12x square plus 24 equal to 0. So solving this, you will get x equal to 2 and minus 2. So since the interval that is given between 0 and 3 only, no, closed interval, so the domain is, since x belongs to 0, 3, so in this only you have to see, that is x lies between 0 and 3. So minus 2 does not lie in this, therefore minus 2 is neglected. Therefore critical point is plus 2 only. So therefore we will check the value of the function at all these points, the critical point and the end points of the function. So at the end point of the function and the critical point. So therefore f of 2 we find out. F of 2 is equal to, as you know, this is the function, that is 3x to the power 4. There you are putting 2. So 3 into 2 to the power 4 minus 8 into 2 cube plus 12 into 2 cube 2 square minus 48 into 2 plus 25. So this will be 16 3 is 48 minus 8 is 64 plus 4 12 is 48 minus 48 2 is 96 plus 25. So 48 plus 48 96 minus this 96 minus 64 plus 25. Okay. So 96 cancelled. Then this will be minus 14 minus 5 9, then 5 minus 2 3 minus 39. Again at endpoints f of 0, no? Endpoint is one endpoint is 0 here. So at 0 we are checking the value f0, that is 3 into 0 to the power 4 minus 8 into 0 cube plus 12 into 0 square minus 48 into 0 plus 25. So all these parts are 0, then this is only 25. And f of 3, let us find out. 3 into 3 to the power 4 minus 8 into 3 cube plus 12 into 3 square minus 48 into 3 plus 25. So this will give us, this will be 81 into 3, 3 1 is 3, 3 8 is 24, minus this is 27 into 8, 8 7 is 56, 8 2 is 16 plus 5, 21, plus 9 12 is 108, then minus 3 8 is 24, 3 4 is 12, so 144 plus 25. So taking the positive numbers together, 243 plus 108 plus 25 minus 216 minus 144, that will give us 8311 plus 5, 5 8 13 plus 3 16, then 2 4 6 7, then 2 1 3. No, this will be minus these two numbers sum, that is this will be 6 4 10, 1 4 5 6, then 2 1 3. So this will be 6 7 minus 6 1 16. Just check the answer, dear students. Just see, this is 81 into 3, 243, 27 into 8, 8 7 is 56, 8 is 16 plus 5 21, correct. Then 9 2 is 18, 9 1 is 9 plus 1 10, 3 is 24, this is correct. So then this number and this number and this number we need to put together, we add them, 5 8 13, 13 3 16, 6, then 2 4 6 plus 1 7, 1 plus 1 1 plus 2 3, and 6 4 10, 1 4 5 6, and 3, correct. 6 minus 0 6, 7 minus 6, that is 1. Oh, 6 minus 0 6, okay, 16. So then here, students, as you see, the maximum value is at 0, whereas here question, find both the maximum value and the minimum value. Maximum value is 25 and minimum value is minus 39. So maximum value, we will write one sentence here and we will finish it. Therefore maximum value of the function is 25 at x equal to 0, and minimum value of the function is minus 39 at x equal to 2. Okay, this is our answer. Let's go to next question. Question number 7. That is 5, 6, 7, 8. Now this is question number 8. Okay. So now I am going to question number 8. At what points in the interval 0 to 2 pi does the function sin twice x attain its maximum value? Okay, we have to find out at what point the maximum value of sin twice x we can get. Let's find out. So here fx equal to sin twice x, then we can say f dash x equal to 2 times cos twice x. If we write f dash x equal to 0, then2 cos twice x is equal to 0. That means cos twice x is equal to 0, and if cos twice x is 0, that means twice x will represent twice x equal to odd multiple of pi by 2, that is twice n plus 1 of pi by 2. But the domain is this one, what called 0 to twice pi, that is x lies between, x is equal to 0 or less than greater than or equal to 0 or less than or equal to twice pi. Then it gives us twice x will lie between 0 and 4 pi. We can say like that because we have to think about twice x. So twice x lies between 0 and 4 pi. Then which are the values between 0 and 4 pi? For knowing that, we can go this way. See, twice x lies between 0 and 4 pi. So from here, what you can say that twice x will be between 0 and 4 pi. So which are the angles that x will be representing, no? So we can say like this, therefore twice x is equal to, if we take here 1, this one now, n equal to 1 if we take here, it will be 1 pi by 2 because, 0 if we take here, this will be 1 pi by 2, pi by 2. And then if we take here 1, then it will be 3 pi by 2, this is 3, 1 means here it will be 3. So twice x will be equal to 3 pi by 2. And if we take here 2, no, 4, that is 5 pi by 2, 5 pi by 2. And if we take here 3 to the 6 plus 1, 7 pi by 2. So 7 pi by 2, because we have to look for value of twice x up to 4 pi. 4 pi means, you see, if we add here one more, suppose I add here 4. 4 to the 8 plus 1, 9 pi by 2. 9 pi by just 9 pi by 2 is actually 9 by 2 means 4.5, no? 4.55 pi. So 4.5 is greater than 4. That's why we cannot take this 9 pi by 2. So our values of x will be from here only. Values of x will be from twice x equal to pi by 2, 3 pi by 2, 5 pi by 2, 7 pi by 2. From here only we have to take the values of x. So it will be, x will be equal to pi by, means if 2 comes here, pi by 4. If 2 comes here, it will be 3 pi by 4. If 2 comes here, it will be 5 pi by 4. And if 2 comes here, it will be 7 pi by 4. And endpoints are, what are the endpoints? 0 and 4 pi. 0 and, 0 and twice pi. So 0 and twice pi. So at all these points, these 0, twice pi, all these points, we need to check the value of the function to know the points at which it can give maximum value. So therefore f0, you think about f0. f0 means sine 2 into 0. It is sine 0 is equal to 0. F of twice pi also we find out twice pi. If we take here twice pi, 2 into twice pi, that is 4 pi, it is equal to 0 only. Then f of pi by 4, that is equal to sine of 2 into pi by 4, that will give us pi by 2. The sine pi by 2 is 1. Then f of pi by 3 pi by 4, 3 pi by 4, that is sine of 2 into 3 pi by 4, that will give us what? 2 will get cancelled, that means 3 pi by 2. Sine 3 pi by 2 will be like this, you see. This is 1 pi by 2. Take this quadrant, 1 pi by 2, 2 pi by 2, 3 pi by 2. That time it will be minus 1 here. Means I am saying that here the sign is minus 1. But the angle is pi by 2, pi by 2, pi by 2, 3 pi by 2. When it is 3 pi by 2, sign is minus 1. When it is only pi by 2, then it will be plus 1. When it will be, here sign value is 0. Here sign value is 0. This is pi angle. For pi angle it is 0. Again after that pi by 2, that is 4 pi by 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 pi by 2, and after that one more pi by 2 if you go, that means 5 pi by 2. That time again it will be 1. Are you understanding, dear students? Here it is 0, here it is 1, here it is 0, here it is 1. I am talking about sine value. So then that way if you think sine 2 into 3 pi by 4, that is 2 will get cancelled here. So 2. So 3 pi by 2. 3 pi by 2 means minus 1. So it will be equal to minus 1. Then again you can write f of 5 pi by 4. 5 pi by 4. That will be equal to sine 5 times, 2 into 5 times pi by 4. By 2 if we cancel this one, it will be 2. So then it will be giving us Sine 5 times pi by 2. So sine 5 times pi by 2 I was showing you just now. 5 times pi by 2, that means when you take like this 1 pi by 2, 2, 3, 4, again 1 more pi by 2, that means it will be 1. So this value will be equal to 1 only. 5 pi by 2 also. 7 pi by 4, 7 pi by 4, again f of 7 pi by 4 for this angle. If you write sine 2 times 7 pi by 4, then it will be cancelled here. So it will be sine 7 times pi by 2. Sine 7 times pi by 2 means 5 pi by 2 is here, again 6 pi by 2, 7 pi by 2, it will be again minus 1. So that will be equal to minus 1. Dear students, now you look at the values. 0, 0, 1, minus 1, minus 1, 1. What is the maximum value? 1. 1. So maximum value is coming at what? Pi by 4 angle and 5 pi by 4. Then no need of looking at the minimum value. So we'll write here now the maximum value of the function is, so therefore maximum value of the function, maximum value of the function will be at x equal to pi by 4 and at x equal to 5 pi by 4. This is our answer. Okay, dear students. So question number 9 and 10 is your homework today. Thank you and have a nice day.